Okay guys, so today we are going to repair this Husqvarna chainsaw. It's a 450. You can see from here.
Yes.
Come here. It's a 450 E series X stock. Okay. So the E series, I think refer to this one. It's using a tool-less system. So you see here,
Yeah.
the chain is not working.
Yes.
Okay. Come here, Fatima, you can zoom here. So I think it's not working because the sprocket for this Oregon bar.
I gotta zoom it from here.
There are two sprockets here and inside. So we're going to check. Okay. How to open it? You just pull here.
Mm-hmm.
And counter-clockwise. Ta-da! So it's a very simple system. You doesn't need any tools. See?
Yeah.
Here. Okay. See? It's jam.
Oh.
It's jam. So we need to know. We doesn't know why it jam. So we need to test where it jam. So I think there is jam at the bar because it's a very old bar.
Ooh.
We can the sprocket is still running.
I'm gonna zoom in.
Oh, I think the chain has some problem. Yeah, the chain has some problem. Come here, zoom here. So you can see from the chain.
Is a cat. You want to see our tutorial? If you hear that chirp, that was our bird.
You heard it?
Yeah, I heard a bird chirping.
No. See, stuck.
Yeah.
Very difficult to go. Very difficult to go. So I think the bar, something wrong with the bar. It can move, but very hard and it's stuck over here. Stuck over here. Yes. So I think it's already. So we're going to change to the new bar. Okay.
Okay.
So this one just arrived. I bought from a local dealer here.
Okay.
Okay, so this time I'm choosing S-cut from Husqvarna. Okay, you can come here, Fatima. Read the brand.
Yes. Husqvarna.
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 I think Husqvarna.
Yeah.
Do you know where it's from? Which country? Husqvarna from which country? Can you read from the machine? Which country? Made in Sweden.
Oh.
Oh, do you know where Sweden is?
No.
It's very far away. Husqvarna,
Yes.
15-inch bar. Okay, it's not 16 inch. It's 15 inch.
15 inch.
Yeah, because this is just a small chainsaw.
Okay, everyone. Okay, this is the 15 inch.
Ta-da! Can you hold it and show to the camera? It's a Husqvarna.
Yes. Husqvarna. It's pronounced like Husqvarna.
Yes. We use it for a very long time.
Yes, we have used it for so long.
So you are putting the here. Okay. Okay.
The fish poops so much.
You okay? Fatima, didn't you have to use the camera?
What? Close the camera?
No. You shoot here so people will see. This tutorial how to put the bar in the chain. Okay, now we already finished putting the chain in the
Yes.
bar. See, very easy
Yeah.
to move the chains because it's a new bar.
And the old ones
Yeah.
are pretty broken and
Oh, I
rotten.
forgot to tell you. When you put it here, make sure the brake is off, so you can feed it back. See?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Then you put it here and close it. Try to put it up position, up position when you want to close it. Okay.
Can you tell me one thing to never do when you're doing this?
What? What things to do?
Yeah.
Okay, not too tight. Okay, now when you already put it in the position,
Okay, to tell you guys, never do it too tight.
yeah, not too tight. Then while you adjusting it, you can adjust here,
Yes.
to make it tighter.
Mm-hmm.
See? It's tighter. Okay, then check, is it very tight or not? You must be able to see the chains full. See? You can see, you can pull the chain, then it's okay. So it's okay. Then you tight this one to the maximum. When you use the original parts, very easy. Okay.
And if you use the non-original parts?
It's become very easy. Okay. Now we will try to cut something.